Did you know that while the world's attention is often on giants like the US, China, Japan, and Germany, there's another nation quietly transforming? A country that's choosing peace, progress, and innovation over conflict, preparing for a future that's digital, smart, and powerful. In a world tangled in geopolitical conflicts, this nation is redefining itself, emerging as a beacon for digital transformation. Yes, we're talking about India, the same India that was once stereotyped as a land of snake charmers and poverty, is now showing the world the way to a digital future. Imagine this. Even in the remotest corners of India, people are empowered with bank accounts. Small business owners, vegetable vendors, and even street artists, all are equipped to accept digital payments. India isn't just catching up, it's setting the standard. But there's more to this journey. Today in India, two mindsets are shaping the future. There's the old way, where poverty is seen as a limitation, a sign of weakness. And then there's a powerful new belief that every individual, regardless of their background, holds strength and potential. This is the mindset that's empowering the youth, driving change, and inspiring the world. Digital India isn't just about technology, it's about unleashing human potential. So to the youth across the globe, let's take a closer look. See how India is rewriting the rules and leading the way to a digital future. Trust us, you'll be amazed. Back in July 2015, India set out on an ambitious journey to become a fully digital economy. The Indian government launched the Digital India Mission, a transformative movement to bring technology into every part of life. The foundation of Digital India was laid back in August 2014 with the launch of a program called Jan Dhan Yojana. Through this initiative, the Indian government aimed to connect every single citizen, especially the economically underprivileged, to the banking system. But when this mission was announced, many people, even within India, had questions. They wondered, why would the government focus on getting poor people to open bank accounts? How much money could they really deposit in banks? How would this make a difference in their lives, in the country's economy? But the government had a bold vision. Against all odds, over 530 million people were brought into the banking network, far exceeding the entire population of the United States. Digital infra for Digital India to succeed, the most important step was making the internet accessible to every citizen, and the Indian government took remarkable actions to achieve this. Mobile phones were manufactured locally to make them affordable for everyone, while internet connectivity was expanded with the launch of fourth generation and fifth generation services. In 2014, India had only 251 million internet subscribers, but by 2024, that number surged to over 954 million. Today, more than 95% of India's villages are connected to mobile and internet services. Moreover, the cost of internet data has dropped by over 96%, laying the foundation for Digital India's success by making technology affordable and accessible to all. UPI. This initiative laid the groundwork for a broader digital transformation, allowing new services like UPI and RuPay to flourish. UPI made digital payments accessible to everyone, enabling instant money transfers directly between bank accounts through simple smartphone apps. Even small vendors and shopkeepers now accept UPI payments, empowering millions to participate in a cashless economy. Today, UPI processes billions of transactions every month, making India one of the global leaders in digital payments. RuPay, India's domestic card network, has also played a crucial role in financial inclusion. It offers a low-cost, secure alternative to international card networks, making digital transactions affordable and accessible across the country. With RuPay, millions of people now have their own bank cards, including those who had never previously been part of the formal banking system. E-governance. Think about how long it used to take to get things like birth certificates, ration cards, or government subsidies. Today, all of this is available at the click of a button through platforms like Digital Seva Kendra and the Common Service Centers spreading across the country. DigiLocker. With platforms like DigiLocker, people can now securely store and share important documents like driver's licenses and educational certificates, all on their phones. No more paperwork, no more waiting in long queues. Healthcare. The Ayushman Bharat Digital Health Mission created unique digital health IDs for citizens, giving them seamless access to their medical records, regardless of which part of the country they're in. One of the standout innovations of Digital India is e-Sanjeevani, India's very own telemedicine platform. Through e-Sanjeevani, the government has brought healthcare to the fingertips of millions, especially those in rural and remote areas who once had limited or no access to medical experts. Arogya Setu became India's digital shield during the COVID-19 pandemic, alerting users of possible exposure and providing vital health information. Education. And then there's ePathshala and Diksha, platforms that transform how students across India access quality education. With digital learning resources now available in multiple languages, millions of students can learn anytime, anywhere. It's opening doors to a brighter future. Startups. Digital India has also fueled an innovation boom, supporting startups and entrepreneurs through the Startup India and Make in India campaigns. From rural innovators creating solutions for farming to tech startups developing AI-driven tools, India has become a thriving hub for innovation. Smart cities. Digital India is also reshaping infrastructure. The Smart Cities mission is turning cities into tech-powered hubs. With solutions like traffic management through AI, sensor-based waste collection, and smart utilities, cities are being transformed to offer a higher quality of life. Cybersecurity. Of course, with all this digital growth, cybersecurity is essential. India has implemented robust cybersecurity policies to ensure that people can use digital platforms safely. Campaigns like Cyber Surakshit Bharat educate citizens on digital literacy and safety practices, making sure the digital age is safe for all. This transformation has a deeper impact. It's building a new mindset. Today, digital tools empower every Indian and for the world. It's an example of what can be achieved when technology is harnessed for social good. As we enter the future, India stands ready to inspire, lead, and show how a digital revolution can change millions of lives. So to the youth around the globe, take note. Digital India isn't just an initiative, it's a movement, a new way forward, a vision for a digital world that includes everyone,